In this video, we are going to see Hello app in Android Studio, and just for that, open your Android Studio here and just click Start New and Android Studio project here. Okay, friends. Now choose an activity for your layout. So I'm going to choose empty activity for now and click Next here. Okay, here is your application name. So just change your application name. Hello all. Okay, hello all demo app by name. Okay, friends, I have given my name here, and here is your package name. This is an unique name for your app. Is okay. So keep it is same, and here is your save location. Okay, you can save anywhere your app. So here is an choose a language for your app. So I'm choosing Java and choose minimum API level. Okay, 15 is good and click finish. Okay, just wait for it. This takes some time. Okay. Our project is starting here. Okay, friends, now our app has been finished. Now here are two files showing activity underscore main and main activity.java. Okay, just I'm gonna minimize this here, and we are going to work on activity underscore main for now. We'll work later on this Java file. Okay, friends. Okay, now this is a very simple hello world app. So here is a text view, but I'm gonna delete it and create my own. Okay, and you will learn this. So go to the text, and here are preview. So I'm gonna use this constraint layout and just type like this, and here you will see. Now I'm gonna use text view. Okay, text view, I'm gonna give it the width of wrap content and wrap content. Okay, now I'm gonna give it text hello all, and we will give this a size, text size to 33 sp, and text style to bold. Okay, friends, here you can see our text is showing here, and I'm gonna close this tab and just go to the design, and this is a constraint layout. So we have to constrain these layouts for our views. So just drag like this, and drag to the top, and drag to the right, and drag to the left. Okay, now this is in our center position. So okay, now I'm gonna change my background. Okay, background color to color primary. Okay, now this is really good. Now, friends, this is just a hello app project. So I'm just trying to show you how to display a simple app on your Android phone. Okay, so I'm gonna run this here. So I have a phone connected via USB. So okay, just I'm gonna open. Okay, I'm gonna run this. Okay, this is my real device. You can also run your app on virtual phone. Okay, so to make a virtual phone, go to the open apt manager, and okay, you can create a virtual device from here. Very easy. Okay, just choose one of them and click next, and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna cancel this. Okay, now I'm gonna click the run button. Okay, green button. Okay, click this. Now I'm gonna open this. Okay, okay, I'm gonna swipe. Okay. Okay, now our app has been installed on our phone and this is working here. Okay, you can see the hello world. Okay, that's it for this video, and we'll see many more things in next video. So okay, keep watching this channel and support this channel. Thank you so much. Okay friends, I'm gonna close this.